இதுக்கு தான் ஊருக்குள்ள ஒரு ஆளினால் அழகராஜா தேவைங்கிறது.
Welcome friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is all in all didnt here. Today we are going to do mechanical work. It's just I'm going to fix a side stand indicator buzzer in my scooter. I have a Honda Aviator Scooter, and the design engineers somehow thought a side stand indicator is not necessary. Maybe they thought I can just just go off, forget the side stand. It won't be a hindrance if you are starting off in a hurry. I don't know what they thought, but this is a must. Usually they have something or the other, maybe a light or a buzzer or something. A light, you have an indicator inside the bikes and all that, and that's absolutely no use. Nobody is going to watch a small green or a red light on the dashboard. A buzzer is the most prominent thing. Even when you are switched off your bike in a traffic light or something, or you're put on the side stand and you're just starting off in a hurry, the side stand buzzer will let you know that the stand is there and you're going to be in trouble if you're going to start off. Anyway, let's get down to it. What we need now for the buzzer is very basic things. A 12-volt electronic buzzer, which is hardly around 20 to 30 rupees. You can get in any electronic shops. And a micro switch. This is a on-off micro switch. You can also get it there. If you want, I can offer a link in the description for those. Okay, this switch will be this cutoff switch, and it's a very simple connection. There are two leads coming off from the buzzer. One is a black one and a red one lead are there. The black one is connected directly to the battery of your scooter or bike. Then the red one, you take a lead all the way down to the switch, and then one more connection back from the switch to the battery. So here, this is my scooter. I have opened the side panel. This is the place. Okay, you have to remove the screws. The whole thing you have to remove. Okay. Here you can see I have opened the side panel. I have already reached up the buzzer. This is the side stand, and you can see that is the place where I plan to put the micro switch. Okay, just making sure there's no dirt or grease. This is the micro switch. Okay, it's a very simple and sturdy device. There are basically 1, 2, 3 points there. You can reverse the connection in the switches in whichever way you want. Either it lets the power in when it is in off position or in on position. Okay, I would plan to place the switch in such a way that when my side stand is on, it pushes the lever and then the connection is set. So the power passes through from the battery to the buzzer. See, this is where I plan to place it. You can check up early how the wiring goes through. Just a minute, I'll show you. Now this is my side stand is on. I'm just placing it, making sure getting the right position so that the side stand pushes the lever down. I'm going to fix it with the glue gun first. Okay, and make sure all the contacts is perfectly tight. I have already run a wire which is coming from the battery. The red wire I have connected to the red lead of the battery, and it will come through the switch and go into the buzzer. I have fixed it now. It is quite strong. This is it. I have also put some M-seal and covered the whole thing so that no motor or anything touches the switch. It is quite sturdy. It's a very simple effort, but it's very worthwhile, and you can easily do it. If you take it to a mechanical shop or a service center, they will surely tell you it cannot be done. The whole cost of doing it is, the switch is about 30 or something, then the buzzer is about 20 to 30 rupees and 1 or 2 meters of wire. That's how it is. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another video. Bye.